Okay, starting a little video for you to show you everything in its place. So, yeah, sweet girl. Aww. So anyway, everything just fits so beautifully on this sofa table. And it looked great. And there's that little footprint of Mason, the thing that Amanda did. Okay, so yeah, and everything else looks real good. Gonna keep this wall here nice and clear. Okay, let's go on down the hall to bedroom number 4 and see the progress. Whoa, look at here. Ta-da! And ta-da! Doesn't it look great? I think it looks really good with this dresser here. So it's all cleared out. I took those big black bags that were sitting like right here and I put them into the closet. Boom, right there, out of the way. And gotta get some WD-40 on those slide things up there. Kind of hard to, there we go. There's your thing that's your dad's, that baseball. And then I also took the, she had this piece right here taped to the glass. So I decided the best way to do this thing was to glue it. So I just simply got some Elmer's glue and it's on there real good. It's on there real good. So there we go. See got some linen down there, but there is no way that I'm going to be able to get all of that in here. I kind of knew that, but you know, we'll see. Anyway, all those pictures that were standing, you know, vertically right there, I took them and I have them under here. I placed it on a towel. They're all the large pictures, and then took this nice brown fitted sheet to cover it up, just to make it sort of disappear. I even have the table pads. It's kind of hard to see, but table pads are under there. Oh yeah, and I decided to take that that inflated mattress, deflated it, put it back out in the garage. And so this is the result of, that was my inspiration right there for this room. I was inspired and now it looks wonderful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get, again, I'm going to have to do a lot of searching to get the right piece of furniture for this wall and have a place for a lot of mementos in these boxes. So anyway, that is the conclusion of the tour of this amazing 4th bedroom. It's very welcoming. A very welcoming room now. So that's it. Night. Night night.